Namaste to all students. In this video, we would talk about the effect of pressure on gases and dry ice. When pressure is applied on gas, the particles come close, which increases the interparticular forces of attraction between them, and the gas changes into liquid. Hence, we can liquefy gases by applying pressure and decreasing the temperature. This is also called compression and cooling. Compressed solid carbon dioxide is called dry ice. Dry ice is also called solid CO2. If the pressure is reduced, it changes directly into gas without coming into liquid state or without wetting the surface. That's why solid carbon dioxide is known as dry ice. It is extremely cold substance. Interconversion of the three states of matter. The three states of matter, solid, liquid and gas, are interconversible. This is interconversible triangle. This interconversion happens by making changes in two major factors, temperature and pressure. Solid can be changed into liquid by increasing temperature. This process is called fusion or melting. Liquid can be changed into gas by heating, that is by raising the temperature. This process is called vaporization. Gas can be converted into solid by raising the temperature, and this process is called sublimation. Liquid can be converted back into solid by lowering the temperature or freezing. This is called solidification. Solid can also directly change into gas. This process is called sublimation. Gas can be changed back to liquid by the process of condensation. Separation techniques. These techniques are used to separate components of a mixture on the basis of variation in the physical properties like boiling point, melting point, solubility, etc. Sublimation. What is sublimation? The change of state directly from solid to gas or from gas to solid is called sublimation. If a solid camphor or kapoor or ammonium chloride is heated, it changes into vapor, and if the vapors are cooled, it changes into liquid. You can see in the experimental arrangement, we take some ammonium chloride in china dish and cover it with inverted funnel. The stem of the funnel is closed with a cotton plug. When this china dish is heated with the help of burner, the ammonium chloride will form vapors. But these vapors are not able to escape out due to cotton plug and stick on the inner walls of inverted funnel. Later on, we can scratch and obtain solid ammonium chloride back. In this, we have seen that solid changes directly into gas and gas is also changed into solid. This process is called sublimation.